You've got to check your filters, without a doubt. So this one here, I know has not been changed at my friend's house. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it for him. I've got to pop this open, and then this opens up, right? Oh my gosh, look at that. That thing's a mess. We got to pull that out and put a new one in. It's an 18 by 18. It doesn't really fit very good in there, does it? Look at it. Yeah, definitely need a new one. So I'm gonna see if they have like a little bit smaller. See how this one did really fit very good. Look how gross it is. So yeah, that's what we gotta do now. Gotta get the right one. All right, as you can see, this thing's really dirty. Using the Dyson. Oh man, this thing's hard to clean. All right, here we go. Paper towelage. Yeah, that's working, but see? I do each one, each rung. Damn it, I could take this off of here and I could just squirt it, hose it off. It's amazing how much dirt is in there. You know? I mean, that's in the air. That's pulling it out of the air. What are we breathing? It's crazy. Nope, that's gonna have to be good enough until I get, oh shit. A stronger vacuum cleaner. You know what I mean, jelly beans? All right, we got to get a new filter now. 17.5 by 17.5.